How to fix no sound problem in iPhone screen recording device, guys. It is a very good thing to use your iPhone to record your screen. Maybe you want to do tutorial, or you want to show somebody something to somebody, you want to explain something, and you need to use the screen record app, and the screen record app is not working. Now, to fix this issue is very simple. Swipe down from the control panel, then tap and hold this for a few seconds. Now, if the mic is like this, is means is off. So even if you record, it should not record. Tap on the mic again to turn it red. Then it means the mic is active now. So when you record, you'll be able to hear your voice very well. And if that does not fix this issue, then the next thing you have to do, guys, is very simple. Go to the settings option, go to general, go to software update, then make sure that your iOS device or your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. If you have any update here, make sure you update your device to the latest version so that it will fix all the bugs on your device. And don't forget to turn it on to be automatic update. Then if you do this and yet the screen record voice is not working, then try go to settings. Under setting, guys, go to general, scroll down to the base of this screen, tap on reset and transfer iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings, then provide your password in the space provided here. If you have lost screen code, provide your screen time code, then tap on this reset all button to reset this. This should fix the issue. And if this does not fix this issue, then guys, don't give up, try. Then you need to first restart your device. How we do that is very simple. Volume up, volume down, and power button, and hold till it goes down, and bring the app logo again and allow your phone to load. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.